Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your keyboard. So if your keyboard doesn't work in Windows 10, so for fixing it you just need to go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot settings. So here you need to find and fix other problems. So here you need to find keyboard, so just run the troubleshooter and just wait until it will detect the problem, detect the issues, and just wait some time. So just try this way. After just close. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to go again to the settings, to the search, and just write in the search device manager. So just open device manager and now you just need to wait until it will show to you all the devices you also have on your computer. And here you need to find keyboards, so just tap on keyboards and just choose your keyboard, right tap and choose update driver, search automatically, and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest software for your keyboard. And also you can try to uninstall device. It's also the second way you can also try. And after you do it, you need to restart your computer. So just try to restart. So just go to start and just tap here and just choose restart. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.